In Maranello, on the 9th of October 2025, Ferrari marked a historic turning point by unveiling the production-ready chassis and core components of the Ferrari Elettrica, the first fully electric Ferrari in the brand's storied history. Revealed during Capital Markets Day 2025, this moment was not about abandoning tradition, but about extending it. The Ferrari Elettrica represents a new chapter in Ferrari's multi-energy strategy, one that already includes internal combustion engines, hybrid electric vehicles, plug-in hybrids, and now, for the first time, a fully electric drive system engineered to meet Ferrari's uncompromising standards. From the very beginning, Ferrari made one thing clear: an electric Ferrari would only exist when the technology was capable of delivering superlative performance and an authentic driving experience worthy of the prancing horse. That moment has arrived. The Ferrari Elettrica is the result of a radically new and innovative approach, blending state-of-the-art electric technology with the emotional engagement, precision, and performance that define every Ferrari. True to the marque's philosophy, every major component has been developed and manufactured in-house, ensuring absolute control over quality, performance, and character.
This car is not an isolated leap, but the culmination of a long journey into electrification that began more than 15 years ago. Ferrari's expertise was forged in Formula One with the hybrid systems introduced in 2009. That knowledge flowed into road cars such as the 599 HY Kurz prototype, the groundbreaking LaFerrari, and later the SF90 Stradale and 296 GTB. Each step built the technical foundation required to create an electric Ferrari capable of excelling in every dimension. The Ferrari Elettrica stands as the most advanced expression of that evolution. At the heart of the project lies a commitment to sustainability without compromise. For the first time, both the chassis and body shell are manufactured using 75% recycled aluminum. This choice alone delivers an astonishing reduction of 6.7 tons of CO2 emissions for every vehicle built. More than 60 proprietary patents underpin the Ferrari Elettrica, demonstrating how innovation, performance, and environmental responsibility can coexist in a single cohesive vision.
This car is not an isolated leap, but the culmination of a long journey into electrification that began more than 15 years ago. Ferrari's expertise was forged in Formula One with the hybrid systems introduced in 2009. That knowledge flowed into road cars such as the 599 HY Kers prototype, the groundbreaking LaFerrari, and later the SF90 Stradale and 296 GTB. Each step built the technical foundation required to create an electric Ferrari capable of excelling in every dimension. The Ferrari Elettrica stands as the most advanced expression of that evolution. At the heart of the project lies a commitment to sustainability without compromise. For the first time, both the chassis and body shell are manufactured using 75% recycled aluminum. This choice alone delivers an astonishing reduction of 6.7 tons of CO2 emissions for every vehicle built. More than 60 proprietary patents underpin the Ferrari Elettrica, demonstrating how innovation, performance, and environmental responsibility can coexist in a single cohesive vision.
Power comes from two fully independent electric axles, each developed and built entirely in Maranello. Every axle houses a pair of permanent magnet synchronous motors using motorsport-derived Hallback array rotors. The front axle delivers up to 210 kilowatts with a power density of 3.23 kilowatts per kilogram and an efficiency of 93% at peak output. The rear axle is even more extreme, producing up to 620 kilowatts with a power density of 4.8 kilowatts per kilogram, matching the same peak efficiency. Together, they deliver over 1,000 horsepower in boost mode, enabling ferocious performance with seamless control. One of the most innovative features is the front axle disconnect system. At any speed, including top speed, the front motors can be completely decoupled, transforming the car into a pure rear-wheel drive Ferrari for maximum efficiency. When additional traction is required, the system re-engages in just 500 milliseconds thanks to advanced synchronization technology derived from modern transmissions. The result is a system 70% lighter than its predecessor, combining efficiency, responsiveness, and driving pleasure.
The electric engines themselves push current technology to its limits. Capable of spinning at up to 30,000 revolutions per minute at the front and 25,500 at the rear, these motors deliver extraordinary power in remarkably compact dimensions. Carbon sleeves reinforce the rotors, allowing the magnets to withstand immense centrifugal forces while maintaining minimal air gaps for maximum efficiency. The motors respond with astonishing immediacy, accelerating from standstill to maximum speed in under 1 second. Energy is supplied by a battery designed and assembled entirely in-house. With a gross capacity of 122 kilowatt-hours and an energy density approaching 195 watt-hours per kilogram, it sets new benchmarks for performance electric vehicles. The battery is not a separate block, but a fully integrated structural element, contributing directly to chassis stiffness. Its placement under the floor lowers the center of gravity while preserving interior comfort and achieving an ideal weight distribution of 47% front and 53% rear.
Thermal management is equally advanced. Multiple cooling circuits ensure uniform temperature control across all modules, enhancing performance consistency and long-term durability. Operating at up to 880 volts and supporting fast charging at up to 350 kilowatts, the Ferrari Elettrica combines high performance with practical usability. The battery is also designed to be removable and serviceable, reflecting Ferrari's commitment to longevity and craftsmanship. Managing this immense electrical power are ultra-compact, high-performance inverters. The front inverter, integrated directly into the axle, weighs just 9 kilograms while delivering over 300 kilowatts. Silicon carbide technology, proprietary control algorithms, and innovative strategies such as inverter toggling improve efficiency and extend highway range without compromising responsiveness. Advanced noise cancellation software eliminates unwanted harmonics, ensuring refinement as well as performance. Sound, an essential part of every Ferrari, has been reimagined rather than replaced. Instead of imitating an internal combustion engine, the Ferrari Elettrica amplifies the authentic mechanical frequencies of its electric drivetrain. Sensors capture vibrations from the powertrain and project them as meaningful auditory feedback, engaging the driver only when it enhances the driving experience. Silence reigns during relaxed driving, while acceleration and manual torque shifts bring the car's unique electric voice to life. The active suspension system represents another major leap forward. With independent control of vertical forces at each wheel, combined with four-wheel steering and torque vectoring, the Ferrari Elettrica becomes the first Ferrari capable of actively managing vertical, longitudinal, and lateral forces simultaneously. The result is a car that delivers extraordinary precision, comfort, and emotional engagement in equal measure. Ferrari's torque shift engagement system further enhances involvement. 5 progressively stronger levels of torque can be selected via steering wheel paddles, creating a sensation of continuous acceleration that echoes the rhythm of traditional gear changes. Regenerative braking is similarly adjustable, adding depth and control to every driving moment. 2 steering wheel controllers define the experience. The Manettino governs vehicle dynamics from stability-focused ICE mode to the freedom of ESC off. Alongside it, the E-Manettino manages the energy architecture, offering range, tour, and performance modes to suit every journey. Even the tires were developed specifically for this car, achieving a 15% reduction in rolling resistance without sacrificing grip or safety. The Ferrari Elettrica delivers breathtaking numbers.
0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 2.5 seconds, a top speed of 310 kilometers per hour, and a range exceeding 530 kilometers. Yet numbers alone cannot define it. This car represents Ferrari's belief that electrification, when pursued without compromise, can elevate performance, deepen engagement, and preserve the soul of the brand. The journey continues into early 2026 with the first glimpse of the interior design, followed by the world premiere in spring. When the Ferrari Elettrica finally takes to the road, it will not signal the end of Ferrari's heritage, but its boldest evolution yet.